So there are a number of reasons why outsourcing is financially beneficial. One of those is you'll have access to expertise without high overheads. This is very valuable for SMEs who are unable to afford full-time experts. Another reason is scalability. We can move quickly depending on the demand, avoiding financial burden of hiring and downsizing staff. Another is technological changes. Outsourcing businesses tend to provide latest technology and keep on top of any changes accelerating digital transformation. Another one is certain costs are eliminated. There's not going to be any training costs, hiring costs or staff costs, as well as infrastructure costs, because it's just one fee for an outsourced service.